Yo, you guys, so today we got this MP3 player from SWOFY, and I would say we just cut that open and have a look really quick what this is all about, and then we'll try that out as well. So first off, it kind of looks like a little tablet in my opinion, especially with the packaging and the presentation, but well, maybe that's just me. And first off, some manual, we're gonna throw that aside. We got some extra goodies here. Just have a quick look. So we got a case, um, obviously for protection and stuff. Then headphones, USB-C cable. Yeah, that's it. So let's all throw that back in there, just so we can put it better aside. And then we're gonna have a look at the player itself, which sits on the other side. Open that up, and let's free that thing. So here's the player. It's not too heavy, smoky, glossy finish on the back. Looks good to me. Um, then let's see. Yep, so far so good. Nice display. Let's remove this here really quick so you can see better. Okay, we got some reflection going on. I hope you don't mind. Let's boot that up. Smoky. Down here is SD card slot and your power source. And apparently there's one in here already. Let's have a look. Where is it? Yeah, there it is. Okay, so 64 gig is already included in this package, which is decent for MP3 data. And then, yes, you see, it's run by Android. We got our typical setup. I will rush through that. And then, in case you're wondering, I buy cheap MP3 players once in a while for my class, so I can load tasks on there if they have to listen to something and they don't interrupt the other people in class, so they just grab that and then they can listen to whatever is needed there. Or I take them along on class trips because cell phones are mostly forbidden, and then they are still some that need stories or ebooks or whatever to fall asleep, and then that's a good alternative to get them quiet and to sleep, because I don't know, at some point teachers just want to sleep as well. So as you can see, there's like a lot of music apps installed in here already, and you can basically download anything from the App Store too. I don't know how good all the apps would work on here, to be honest, but they could. You got some speakers, as you saw, also included. Let's go into the settings and let widgets. So, like always, just everything you expect from Android. So that's kind of interesting to see that built in an MP3 player, but I guess time goes forward. So let's see, system-wise, Android 9 is in here. We got 8 cores. It's not too bad, to be honest, for such a small and cheap device. And yeah, um, that's basically what you can expect from this MP3 player. Color-wise, it looks decent. Quality is just as always on Android. There's not much. Headphones aren't the greatest, I have to say that. But yeah, you can use your own, also like Bluetooth and stuff. So yeah, I will see you around, and it's time to badger it out for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.